In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and install the Windows Storage Management feature on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in optional. Best results, you can come back with optional features or manage optional features right above system settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select add a feature near the top, and then you want to search for Windows Storage Management. Check mark the box next to that item, and then select add, and give that a moment to install here. And then you will need to reboot your computer for the change to take effect and for it to fully install, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.